I need to talk to you privately. You have a warrant.
What is that?
You have an arrest warrant on you.
For what?
Criminal damage. Someone took it out in February.
My husband.
Okay.
But that was fixed.
No, it's not.
No? Can I call my husband?
Not your. That's not your husband. If that's the person that took the warrant out, no.
You gotta be kidding me.
Sorry.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you have watched some of my recent videos, you may recall seeing this woman.
Why are you Mexican? Piece of shit. And like, you're criminals. But I mean, she said immigration. You only get everything free. Anyway.
I will link the rest of that video down below. She is an employee of a utilities office in Cobb County, Georgia, who dealt with a customer who had a meltdown with employees and police about her power being shut off. Upon further research, I learned that it didn't just end with the angry customer's pleasant ending. Shortly after police finished up assisting the disgruntled customer, they learned that this employee had legal woes of her own.
Looks like we're trying to get her.
Where's the other?
No, her car's broken down. I need to talk to you privately. I need to talk to you privately. Yeah. Can I talk to you a second?
Yeah, of course.
You have a warrant.
What is that?
You have an arrest warrant on you.
For what?
Criminal damage. Someone took it out in February.
My husband.
Okay.
But that was fixed.
No, it's not.
No?
So
Wait, what?
I have to take you into custody.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
So do you want to go tell them real quick? I won't handcuff you, but I have to take you out.
Are you serious right now? My lawyer, I already went to the court.
I just confirmed it. When did you go to court?
On Monday. And the lady say, okay, there is nothing against you, you just have to pay. I already paid.
I just confirmed it with Cobb County Sheriff's Office, and they said the warrant's valid.
Can I call my husband?
Not your. That's not your husband. If that's the person that took the warrant out, no.
So who can I call?
Okay, you can't call anybody right now. You can tell your boss.
Oh my God, no, he's not even here.
You gotta tell. You want to tell something because I have to take you out there.
Oh my
But
God.
who do you want to tell in here?
Tammy.
Okay, all right. So
You gotta be kidding me.
sorry. It didn't go through. It's still red.
You gotta pay, right? Why? Because court is staying. Yeah, I know. For what?
There's a warrant. Can I close this?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my God, this is so...
When I was putting her name in to put her in the report, I ran her name, and she showed up with a warrant.
But you went to court. I know, and she never said anything.
And I checked it, and I confirmed it with the sheriff's office.
I cannot believe it.
And so they're saying that they do want her, so I have to take her. But I'm not going to handcuff her.
This is ridiculous.
And we're not going to tell anybody else. We're just going to escort her out. But I didn't want to say anything in front of anybody else.
I thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
So, but I don't understand. If the judge did say clear everything, so
Okay, well, they won't, the judge probably didn't even know there was one, okay? And they won't tell anybody while they're in court for the simple fact that they don't want to deter people from coming to and from court. So if you have a warrant, we're not allowed to arrest you while you're coming to court anyway. So that way it'll keep people, because if they know they have a warrant, they won't show up in court. So we're not allowed to arrest you while you're going to court anyway.
You would think that they would have canceled it because you
But
showed
no-
up in court.
But that's the thing, and I remember
It was taken on in February.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and I remember the lawyer was there, and she told the judge everything
So she just she failed to cancel the warrant.
So she did. I don't know. I don't know how that works, but
I don't know what it's.
okay. Well, it's good.
You want to take your stuff with you? You want to leave it with them? Because they'll take all that stuff from you at the jail.
This is so crazy.
So what do you proceed? How does she proceed from there?
Okay, so what'll happen is they take all your belongings from you, and you can get your phone numbers out of your phone so that you can have the phone numbers with you. And then you can call, is it your ex-husband that took the one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll be able to call your husband when you get there after they book you in. Or you can call them ahead of time and let them know that she's going to be going to the Cobb County Sheriff's Office.
Okay.
And let them know.
And after that, what?
And then you'll have to get bailed out.
What does that mean?
They'll have to post a bond.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
So Corey, so what you'll do, can she go and call Corey now or no?
Yeah, go ahead and call them.
Go ahead and call him now and let him know. That way he can.
No, he's texting right now.
It'll take a while to get down there and then to get booked in because Cobb County Sheriff's Office is a little slow.
And say what?
Tell them that you're going to be going down to Cobb County Sheriff's Office at the jail.
Can you call Diana in here?
This is ridiculous.
Well, it is crazy because she just went to court last Monday or something.
Mhm,
And
that-
they just got it, everything was finalized. And then the judge signed off on everything. So you would think that the lawyer,
Can you talk to him?
Yeah, if you want to. What's his name?
Corey.
Corey? Okay.
it's okay.
It'll be okay. Hey, this is Sergeant Bennett with Ackworth Police Department. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here with Anna. She's okay. She's not hurt or anything, but she has a warrant for her arrest. And so I have to take her down to Cobb County Jail, and she wanted you to know. She just got upset while she was about to tell you. So I have to take her down to Cobb County Jail. She wanted you to know about it. You want to talk to him real quick?
But I don't know what to
It's
say.
okay. And she'll probably have to be bonded out down there. Okay. Do you know where it's at? Down off of used to be County Services Road. I don't remember what the name of it is now, but it used to be County Services. Pardon me? It used to be County Services Road, but if you just Google Cobb County, let me see if I can Google it real quick. I don't have my regular phone. Okay, hold on, she's going to Google it for you. If you look at Cobb County Jail. Adult Detention Center. Go back one.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. And then go down where it says Adult Detention Center. Oh, what that is.
Let's see. Here it is. 180.
No, that's Roswell Road. That's not it. No, it's not Bill Hudson Way. It's County Services Road, I think is what the address is.
Let's see if it's right here.
County, is it county, make sure.
They do not make this
I don't
easy.
go up one.
It's showing P.O. Box.
That's a PO, yeah, they don't. I believe it's County Services Road now. They've changed the name 15 different times. County Services Road off of Powder Springs Road in Marietta. Okay, you can give me a second. We're still looking through the website here.
Oh, it's gonna be okay, honey. Is it?
No.
Not the
Oh, here it is. It's 1825 County Service. Yeah, and let me give you their main number. This is going to be their switchboard. It's 770 4200. Yeah, 4200. That's going to be their switchboard number. Now she'll go down there and she'll have to get booked in, and she'll be able to give you a call once she gets booked in. Okay. And I hate to do this to her, but they said that they do the warrant is valid, so I do have to take her down there. Okay. All right. Do you want to talk to him real quick? You sure? Okay.
Yeah, she's upset.
Okay, yeah, she's upset. So we're not gonna handcuff her or anything. We're just gonna go ahead and put her in the car so she doesn't, try to minimize the embarrassment a little bit.
Do you want me to call down?
Okay? All right, bye. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay.
So is this gonna be like in records?
It'll be an arrest record, okay?
So for work, you know what?
Well, it's.
But you're innocent until proven guilty, okay? All right. So just because you get arrested does not mean that you're guilty, okay?
And what he said, like, what is he gonna?
I told him where to go. I think he was just taking in the information. Okay. He's okay. So I gave him the telephone number and the address. Okay.
He's probably going to call his lawyer and say, "Yeah, I thought you got this taken care of," and so.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to leave all your? You can lock it in the safe when Wayne gets here.
Yeah, but I don't have anything.
You don't want to take
Your purse and all that
purse,
stuff.
You don't want to take any of that with you because they're going to take it from you.
Yeah, they're going to take it and
Yeah,
seal it. Your personal property, your watch and your jewelry and your earrings. They're going to take all that off of you.
Oh my God. I mean, I will leave the purse. I will leave here the purse.
Okay. You want to take your jewelry and all that stuff and leave it off there. Okay.
I will give him my purse.
Okay. You put it in your purse.
Okay. What about your earrings and your necklace? Because they're going to make you take all that stuff off too, and your rings and all that stuff. Okay. Do you want to go get her purse so she don't have to face anybody else out there?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you have a seat, okay?
And then we'll balance you.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Yeah, he from these divorces been the nastiest person ever.
Okay.
The nastiest. He could give facts to me.
Here you go. It's okay. All right. Just take your It's okay.
Lunch with you. And eat it in the car.
Yeah, we'll let you do that. Oh, so it goes in this little hole here. I couldn't figure out what it was. Okay, hang on. Okay, there you go.
Thank you so much.
All right. Oops. Okay.
It's gonna be okay.
No, it's not.
It's gonna be.
It will be. It will be. Okay.
It's.
It will be.
They'll figure it out.
You have supportive, coworkers and bosses and stuff like that. So, I'm sure they know the situation and,
Yeah, probably. I mean,
you got another earring right here.
yeah. I will take this with me.
Okay.
I like to be with him.
Okay, they're going to make you take them off just to let you know.
Yeah.
Okay,
I will
just
take
one-
it over there.
Okay.
Your badge. Put your badge in
Yeah.
here too. Yeah. 'Cause they're-
My phone.
Hmm?
My phone.
They'll let you take your phone because you can take your numbers out, but they're going to take the phone from you. You can't take it back with you. Okay. Is there anything else in your pockets or anything like that? Okay. All right. Anything else? Do you want to take your lunch so you can eat in the car?
Sure.
Because you don't want to eat their food.
No.
No.
I wasn't gonna say that, but I'm glad you.
You're not going to want to eat their food. Okay. So you want to take your lunch with you? Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Is there anything else?
I'll go. I'll talk to Diane and let her know she's probably at lunch right now.
Okay.
My jacket.
You got something to drink? Sorry.
She's going through. I mean, the divorce just got filed. All right, Diane. So what do you want me to? What do you want me to say?
Nothing.
Just say it's just some personal. I just say it's personal. I'll tell them and I'll tell Diana. Don't worry. Don't. It's okay.
Just take a deep breath and it'll be okay. You know Natalia? Natalia?
No what?
Do you know Natalia?
No.
She comes and gets the money every day.
I know her.
We're trying to get this car started for that lady that was screaming and yelling. Her car won't start now. How you like that? We can't get the car started. She brought her lunch. We're gonna let her eat in your car. She's not been searched, by the way.
Okay.
Okay. So you might have to at least pat her down real quick.
Right now?
Hey, we gotta pat you down just real quick, okay? We gotta pat you down just real quick.
Anything in your pockets?
We gotta just,
Oh, just my phone.
yeah.
Okay.
She's gonna pat you down just real quick.
Make sure anything
Yeah.
in the bag.
No.
Okay. All right.
Good.
Watch your head. All right, and put your seatbelt on. Go to Airport 10:15. Huh?
Should grab her cell phone.
Huh? She's got her cell phone.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it from her though, right?
It's okay.
Or no, you
We
good?
already told her husband,
Okay.
so okay. Just make sure you take it from her before she goes in. And I told her she didn't want to eat the Cobb County food, so let her eat back there.
Okay. You're the boss.
Okay.
What did you all think of this surprise part 2 ending? Do you think the officers showed compassion? Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.